Yeah, now we will go with the another function that is a string split. So for now, here if you take the LV string 2 is having a three different words. So in a real time also we might get a requirement to split and then check some data or change some data we might get, right? So in that cases we can go with the string splitting. So if you want to split this string, then we can use a function split. Okay, and then we should, after splitting, we will be, putting each and everything in another variable, right? So in the real time we might not know how many variables it might having, like how many words it might be having. So for that reason we will just define one internal table, lt result type table of string. So pretty printer check activate. So now we can use the split operation. We are just splitting the string two, right? Split lvstr2 yet wherever space is there at that particular position, I'm just splitting. If you want to split based on any special keys or any word, then also we can do it into, I am just putting it into the lt result. Here it is giving errors. If you observe into table, we should give. So it gave the error. So now activate, and then now we got the data into LT result. So now if we want to, we don't know how many it might be having, right? Then we will use the loop. I'm just going with the loop at LT result. Then here the type table will act as a internal table and also a work area. So I am just doing it as a write colon and slash and then lt result. Pretty printer check. So here into internal table lt result doesn't have a header line. So it is not having an header line, it is giving. Then we have to define to LT result. I'll just define one work area. LW string type string, and then we will just loop it into, and then we will just print it. Check. We will just use into, if we are not sure about the data type, we can use in the inline data declaration as well, into data LW result. Pretty printer check activate and then execute. See here basics for fresher. So here it is printing two lowercase also. I'll just comment it out and then execute. See SAP ABAP basics for fresher. So like this we can use the split operation. So now we will be going with the like formatting. Earlier also we have seen, right? If you wanted to make it as a uppercase, then we will be using to upper, and if you want to make it as a lowercase, then we will be using a to lower. But if you want to format the string using a write statement, then we can also use, like earlier we did no by using format coloring, how we did the coloring with the write statement. In the same way we can do the conversion with the write statement. So here, like everything is printing, basics for fresher is printing in a lowercase, right? So now we will just print it in a uppercase by with the select query itself. So we are just printing it, and then we will just add to uppercase. Pretty printer. Let's check LV result to uppercase. To it's not allowing. Right to cannot specify any position online. We will just